morning students. Today we are going to learn Unit 3 Matter around us. First you learn what is matter. All kinds of matter possess mass and occupy space. Of course, some are heavy and others are light. Thus, matter can be defined as anything which occupies space or volume and mass and can be perceived by our senses. First, you have to recap some points. We knew that everything we see around that occupies space and have mass is called matter. We studied earlier that matter is composed of tiny little particles which cannot be seen by naked eye. So, let us understand what these particles are. First, you learn what is atoms. The smallest tiny particles, that is atoms. Atoms are the smallest unit of an element that exhibit the properties of the element. All the matter is composed of tiny particles called atom. Atom is the basic unit of matter. Here the structure of an atom are given. The particles, what are the fundamental particles are present in the atom? That is proton, neutron and electron. So inside the nucleus there are the two particles are present, protons and neutrons. Outside the orbit the electrons all revolve around the orbit. So that there are the three fundamental particles found in an atom. So atom is the very smallest unit of an element. Next one, molecule. A molecule is made up of two or more atoms chemically combined. Here on example, oxygen. Oxygen molecule contains two atoms of oxygen chemically combined. So oxygen we breathe is made up of two oxygen atoms chemically combined. Some of the classification of molecules. Molecules can be classified into three categories. One, monoatomic molecule. Second one, diatomic. Third one, triatomic. The atoms are present more than three. It is represented as polyatomic molecule. Here, first you see what is monoatomic. Only one atom is called. A molecule contains only one atom. It is represented as monoatomic molecule. For example, helium. Helium, it contains only one atom. Inert gases. More of the inert gases are present in the state of monoatomic molecule. Second category, diatomic molecule. A molecule which contains two atoms is called diatomic molecule. For example, oxygen O2, nitric oxide NO, hydrogen H2. Here, some of the examples. H2, hydrogen contains two atoms of hydrogen. O2, oxygen contains two atoms of oxygen. Chlorine Cl2 contains two atoms of chlorine. So, any molecule contains two atoms, it is represented as a diatomic molecule. Third category, a molecule containing three atoms is called triatomic molecule. For example, ozone. Ozone contains three atoms of oxygen. So the structure is O3. Ozone is O3. Sulfur dioxide, there is SO2. Carbon dioxide, CO2. So these are the molecules containing three atoms, that is represented as diatomic molecule. Last one, a molecule containing more than three atoms are known as polyatomic molecule. For example, phosphorus P4, sulfur S8. So the sulfur S8, the sulfur atoms present in number 8. 8 number of atoms are present in sulfur. Phosphorus P4 means phosphorus atoms are present in 4 atoms. That is, more than 3 atoms or molecule is represented as polyatomic molecules. So the molecules can be classified as monoatomic, examples inert gases, diatomic, example oxygen, nitric acid, hydrogen, triatomic molecule ozone, sulfur dioxide, carbon dioxide, Polyatomic molecules, phosphorus, sulfur. The next one, the structure of molecules of compounds. Molecule of compound consists of a fixed number of different types of atoms. It will combine as chemically combined. How to combine? First one diagram, molecule diagram of carbon dioxide. So the one carbon atom combined to other oxygen atoms, other two oxygen atoms. So carbon di means two, oxide. So the two oxygen. So the carbon combined with other two oxygen. Ammonia, one nitrogen atom combined with NH3. Ammonia formula is NH3. So the one nitrogen atom combined the other three hydrogen atom. The third one, hydrogen chloride, HCl. The hydrogen atom combined to chlorine atom. So these are the structures of molecule diagram. One atom combined to other atom with the chemical combination. So that is the molecules of compound. It is represented as a compound. So the carbon dioxide molecule diagrams are here, and ammonia molecule and hydrogen chloride. Next one, the elements. Matter is the simplest form is called as a element. We are using many elements in our daily life. For example, common salt, sodium chlorine, sodium chloride, that name is sodium chloride. It will contain what are the elements? Sodium and chlorine. Water, what is the consist of water? Hydrogen and oxygen. There are 118 elements till date you are found. So 118 elements fully found out. So out of these, 94 elements are naturally occur, while 24 elements have been created artificially in the laboratory. So there is a elements, periodic tables of elements. So total periodic elements 118. 118 out of these 94 is naturally occur, but 24 elements have been created artificially in laboratory. Okay students, today we are recall that matter around us. Unit 3, matter around us. Just you recall these points in your textbook. Thank you students.